Hello everyone. First, we will go to the Insert tab and select 3D models from stock. Here, you can browse and select a beautiful 3D Earth model from the stock library. Choose one that fits your presentation theme. I choose Earth. After selecting the Earth, we will adjust this model by making it bigger and positioning it on the slide. Next, we'll create a marker using the Shape tool. You can select a specific country or area to highlight. Now, we'll move the 3D model from one place to another side of the presentation. This helps to position it exactly where we want. After placing the marker, we'll insert it on the art model and rotate the 3D model to make it look more natural. Once everything is positioned correctly, we will insert text onto the slide. Make sure the text looks beautiful and fresh to complement your 3D model. After creating the model, marker, and text, we will select all slides. Now, click on Morph from the Transition tab. This will add smooth animations and make your presentation look amazing.